side perimeter security lang sila, sir.
At naka-full battle gear kayong lahat.
We were armed with M16 and our service firearms, sir.
Ayun, oo.
Opo.
Full battle gear kayo, 7 kayo, pumasok kayo para arrestuhin ng isang tao.
Sir. Opo, sir, pero hindi ako kasama sa pumasok, sir.
Ang alam ninyo na merong tinatawag na agreement itong mga jail guards with the late mayor. Totoo ba yan?
Yun po ang information, sir.
Pero hindi nyo inaresto yung jail guard.
Bali, sir, nung in-implement namin yung search warrant at present po doon sa gate ng Baybay Provincial Jail, ayaw po kami yung papasukin. Ang ginawa ng jail guard, nagkunyari lang, sir, na bubuksan niya, sir, yung padlock, pero nung pinasok niya, sir, yung susi, binali niya. So there was an intent to not let us in. So we used a reasonable equipment, yung bolt cutter, para po putulin po yung kadena ng gate. So we were compelled to restrain them. Kaya po namin sila pina-face the wall, kaya po namin kinuha yung armas nila kasi we don't want anything to happen between us. Kasi baka mamaya anong maisipan, sir.
You were compelled to restrain them.
Yes, sir. Kasi
but you are not supposed to kill Mayor Espinosa because he has constitutional rights that you must observe as police officers. Am I right?
Based po sa circumstances, si Major Laraga po makakasagot yun, sir. Kasi
teka.
Siya po siya pumasok.
Antun Kay, you were there. You were leading the team.
Yes, sir. I was there, but
what I'm saying is, binayolate ninyo ang constitutional right nung inuhuli ninyo. Whether he be a drug lord or whatever he is, meron siyang constitutional right. Am I right?
Yes, sir. We always do that.
And you ought, no, you're not doing it. And you ought to respect that. Mo sabihin sa akin, kahit meron kayong compelling reason to have a search warrant, that you should respect the constitutional right of any person because even a suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Am I right, Colonel Marcos?
Yes, sir. But circumstances.
But you did not observe that, Colonel Marcos.
It was Major Laraga, sir, who made the shoot out.
Don't put the blame to somebody else. You were the one leading the team. Do not put the blame on somebody else. Hindi mo sabihin dahilan sa underclass mo si Major Lara, i-pinpoint mo that he is to blame for this.
My clear instruction, sir, is to arrest Mayor Espinosa and Raul Yap. That was my clear instruction.
So that's your clear instruction.
Yes,
so nung napatay itong si Mayor Espinosa, anong ginawa mo kay Major Lara?
I asked him what happened, sir.
Anong ginawa mo sa kanya?
Tinanong ko siya, sir, bakit nagkabarilan sa loob?
At tinanong mo lang.
Ngayon, sabi niya, sir, lumaban, may baril daw, sir, eh.
Oh, hindi mo kinuha yung baril niya, hindi mo kinuha yung tsapa niya, o kaya naman, tinanggal mo siya sa posisyon. Hindi mo ginawa yun. Hindi
po, sir.
So, my goodness, you're going to blame your underclass, Major Lara, na pumatay doon. Alam mong mali ang ginawa niya. That's why you're pointing him, eh. Alam mong mali ang ginawa niya. You should have arrested him. You should have removed him from his opposition. Sapagkat yan dapat ang ginagawa ng police. Am I right?
Yes, sir. But I believe Major Laraga has to defend himself.